piny e bwo chenro mar somo manyien mar CBC mondo mi jopuonjre duto yud thuolo mar bedo e skunde. Kanowuoyo kaka Mega High School, Oyuno osiro lwedo chenro mar bedo gi uniform mopogore ne nyithindo madonjo e grade mar 7, kata kamano wacho ni nyaka uniform go usi e nengo mogonyore. Jagoro no bende nokwedo weche mawachore ni nitie nok mar jopuonj, kowacho ni riwruogno oikore mar rakruok gi jopuonj ma onge luor.
We must have uniform for junior secondary, different from those of the rest of the primary school pupils who they are with in the same institution. What am I trying to say? In terms of discipline, uniform takes on. And I don't want to support any parent who says, let these children go to school without uniform. There is a purpose for wearing a school uniform. But we must actually advise all the boards that are actually proposing different kinds of uniforms for these learners. Let the uniform be as cheap as possible. And no learner should remain at home simply because he or she does not have a school uniform. And I want to call upon all members of parliament to do proper mobilization. We identify the very needy to the extent that they cannot have new uniforms.